Samsung has unveiled a foldable smartphone, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Galaxy Fold 6 Special Edition has a thickness of 10.6 mm when folded, compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 12.1 mm thickness. There is more thicker than Z Fold 6 and translating into a difference of just 1.5 mm. It has a titanium frame and smartphone will support S Pen. This is an amazing phone from the company and has a premium design. In terms of optics, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition may sport a 200 megapixel primary camera. It is also equipped with marginally bigger displays with a claimed 8-inch internal and 6.5 inches outer display. The standard model is equipped with a 6.5 inches internal and 7.60 inches external screen. The phone will run on Android 14 operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.